Hello YouTube! Hey, it's Friday night and I'm ecstatic. I just had to make a quick video, and before I start I wanted to show you my rocking my Christian t-shirt. I'm proud to be a Christian, so wanted to say that. But I'm out here in the garage and I gotta tell you, I came home to these babies. Yes, that's right. The wheels and tires have arrived. So, here's what we're doing. Out with the old, in with the new. And to give you a perspective, there you go. I'll be honest with you, I was hoping that they'd be a little lighter. I didn't want as dark a wheel, but you know, they're Vorsteiners. I got a heck of a deal. And you know, I gotta tell you, 305s. They told me I could go up to a 315. As you can see, that really fills out nicely. They recommended actually either a 305 3520 or a 315 3520. I went with a 315 3020 because I was trying to stay within 3% of the factory wheel and entire outside diameter. So there's what Ralph puts on everything. It's a squared setup. It's a 9.5 wide by 20, and they all have 275 3520. So I went with the same wheel or same tire in the front, but basically the old wheels are 9.5 and the new ones in the front are 10 by 20s and 11 by 20s in the back. So super excited. Had to show you guys just wow, changes the look of the car, as you can see behind me, and just ecstatic. So listen, bought the wheels and tires from ModBargains. It's an online shop out in California. Look them up. If you call the sales line, ask for Elliot Goodman. Now, I know they're out in California. I don't know if it's John's relative or not. John Goodman, Elliot Goodman, I don't know. But hey, Elliot's a great guy. He reassured me multiple times that the offset on these wheels and the tire sizes would all fit. And I gotta tell you, when you start looking at first of all, listen, wheels are like AR-15s. There's 100+ manufacturers out there making wheels, and they each have their own custom offset, back spacing, blah 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 blah. Now listen, I did a lot of research. At the end of the day, Vorsteiner's up there with a couple of the other brands that I looked at, and I got to tell you, I trust them. And I trust Elliot at ModBargains to not lead me astray. He sold me these wheels with Nitto 555 GTs on the fronts and Nitto NT05s. Look at those beasts on the back. And I gotta tell you, he put TPS sensors in for me. He sent me the handheld to program them to the car. You know, everything shipped to my house, and you know, yeah, basically take it from there to get to there, remove that wheel, slap her on. So I can't say enough good things. Listen, I hope I didn't bore you too much with the particulars. I can't say this enough. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.